Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Friend of mine that uses two color palettes because he engraves and he uh, prints on direct to film. So we're going to open up a second color palette and we're going to go to palettes and we're just going to open up a second palette. I'm going to open up CMYK and RGB. But then when he types in text, and I've converted mine to do it, but now I had to convert it the other way. And if you can see now, it's an RGB black. Before, he was either getting CMYK or just getting something called black that's not RGB. So I emailed my mentor, Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts, and he dug into it and he figured it out. And this is actually his email wording to me. Go to Windows Docker Object Styles and then expand the default object styles to be changed. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Object Styles, which I would have never dreamed to go to. And then you would select, this is, maybe I was trying to close it up like it was. Go right here to Object Styles. Yeah, there it is. And then go to Artistic Text and go right here and change it to RGB black. Then, as always, go up to Tools and save as default. I'm not going to save it because I just did it. So now when I type text, okay, there's the text I shot before, or I typed before. It's just black. It's neither really CMYK, so this is CMYK. If I go there, I get a CMYK black. If I go here, so my friend was having to go change it all the time. But now that we've changed it, he can type a text, and if you look, it's RGB black. So once again, thank Mr. Brewer. If y'all don't know who Mr. Brewer is, he has some videos out there also, and he's been my mentor for 20 years, and I still think he knows more about Corel Draw than any single person at Corel Draw. Pretty great individual and always helping people hundreds of times. Anyway, hope that answered Jason's question, and thank you for watching.